Alright, so now we're going to continue to learn how to jazz up this graph. And then once we've done all that, then we'll talk about how we can use the computer to make even the better fit of a line than what we see right here. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is make the graph a little bit easier to work with and see it. We're going to select the graph with our left mouse button, and then we're going to right mouse click, and up top here we see outline, and we're going to make a black outline for our chart. And there you go. Now you can see it very easily. That's nice and easy. It makes it much better. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start adding things to it. So we select the chart, and then we go up to the top here, and we see design, and we're going to add a chart element. We are going to add a chart title, and we're going to pick above the chart. See where I am in the upper left here, and there it is. And we're going to put something simple here. Speed, let's put velocity as a function, function of time. Now, what we can do now is we can select it here. We can go up to the top here, home menu, and now we can see the, we can make it bigger. There we go. So now we got this big, beautiful title for the chart. We can once again, the chart we see here, it says chart tools on the top here. So now we can now all these tools are now customized for the chart or the graph. They call it a chart. So we want to add axis titles. So primary, horizontal. So we're going to change this to time, and in parentheses seconds. Now then we're going to select it all. Notice that this thing will pop up. We'll make it bigger. And we're going to add now axis title, primary vertical, and I call this velocity. And this is centimeters per second. And once again, we're going to select it all. We'll make this bigger. You generally have to experiment with the sizes of the fonts, because when you copy paste this into into your assignment, for example, you have to decide if it looks good or not. In this case, now this thing is ready to print and to cut out, although we can do a few more things. So what we can do is we can see now we've done the numbers on the y-axis, and we can right mouse click. Let's see. No, it doesn't say anything about, here we go, font. It's not quite as straightforward as the others, but now we can make that 12. See what I did? And now it's bigger. I can also, we can also go here to the right, sorry, when I've highlighted it. And now, axis options, I've clicked this here column things here. So now I can change the number. Let's say I want to make no decimal places. I just do that, hit enter. Now there's no decimal places. I can go here, and once again I can say Well, I need decimal places here. These are fractions of a second, so I don't want to change that. But what else could I do? I could change the size of the font. Oh, text option. Okay, no. Here we go. No. How do we change the size of the font here? Is that labels? Oh, that's kind of stupid. Alright, so we just go back here. Make sure we select the axis. See, it's a box around it. Right mouse click. Font. We'll make that 12. Say OK. And there you go. Now we can also do things like we can add grid lines if you like. So we have grid lines. We have the primary, major, horizontal. Oh, so that's stupid. So they are the grid lines. My grid lines are white, so I can't even see them. Primary, horizontal. Okay, so that is dumb. So I can just change it to say some kind of gray or black. There we go. So let's see. I can say that's really strange. I gotta see how to change the default. And then grid lines, primary, major, vertical grid lines. And let's see what happened to my grid lines that I just put in. So this is too bad. Well, let's see. Make this dark too. No. What did I do? Oh, I made a box around the graph, huh? I don't like that. I'm going to undo it. And I'm going to undo it again. Oh, let's be careful. The trouble is, there we go. There's my grid lines. Alright. Now, I'll unselect that. And now I'll go to add a chart element again. And grid lines, primary, major, oh, they disappeared again. Horizontal. I wonder why they disappear. Well, we'll have to figure that one out at a different time. Alright, so as always, we save our work. And now we have ourselves a graph that's ready to cut out and paste in. And we've set it up so we can sort of change this line until we get something we like. See, I'm typing in different slopes and y-intercepts. And then when I'm satisfied, I can just say, all right, here's my fit line, there's my slope, and there's my y-intercept. So the next videos will be about how we can use the computer to find the best values for that. So also notice we can change the shape here if we like. There's a variety of things I invite you to explore. But now at least you're ready to put for the pre-lab assignment, you're all set. Good luck.